Remember, honey, the milk and cookies are for Santa Claus.
I promise I won't nibble.
You aren't going to be up too late, are you? At least you'll be up soon.
I'll have Hoppy put together in 20 minutes tops.
Are you sure you don't need any help?
Honey, this is a toy. Go to sleep.
Good night.
Merry Christmas.
Come on. There! Okay. That's just fine. That's gonna work out fine. Yeah, that's gonna go. That's gonna work. Come on. We're just gonna come together. That's all. Come on! Okay. That's right. You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna come together. We're gonna come together. Oh, God! You wanna come there? We'll just play. It's okay. We'll just play. Let's just play. Easy now. Easy we go. Just one more screw and we're all the way there. Easy. No! I hate you! I hate my whole life! Why are you doing this to me?
What?
Don't touch me. Don't come near me.
What's wrong?
That's what's wrong. Happy to Hobbity.
Don't put it together, then. It's not worth it. At least she's getting plenty of other presents.
Yeah, right, but she really wanted a Hobbity horse, didn't she?
You're being ridiculous. Just come to bed.
No, never. Not while he's down here mocking me the way he does. Damn you! Damn you! Go to bed! Go to bed! Go to bed!
Is Daddy going to be okay, Mommy?
He'll be fine, honey. He'll be just fine.
I'm a little cowgirl. I'm a happy little cowgirl. I'm a happy cowgirl on my happy Hobbity horse. I love my happy Hobbity horse. I love you.